Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to enter a purchase bill in Quickbooks. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a Quickbooks Online Plus or Advanced, as purchase orders are only available in these plans. Once your vendor accepts a purchase orders and ships the products, you need to record it as bill or expenses. Here's how. Step 1. Turn on itemization for bills. Go to settings, then account and settings. Under the expenses tab, select edit in bills and expenses. Turn on the options to show the system or items table on your purchase forms and track expenses by customer. Don't forget to hit save. Step 2. Now click on the plus new button. Then select expense, check or bill, whichever one you need. In the pay drop down, choose your vendor. This will bring up their open purchase order. Select add for the correct purchase orders. The items from the purchase order will automatically appear in the item details section. If you're planning to bill a customer for any item, tick the available box and select the customer. Once everything looks good, click save and close. Step 3. If you have only received part of your order or made partial payment, you can still add those part to your bill. Just follow the same steps as before, but adjust the quantity or amount for each item to match what you have received or paid for. Then hit save and close again. And that's it. You have successfully entered a purchase bill in QuickBooks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you.